Hello everyone, and welcome to Dad Lab! Today we're going to be making
ice cream! Ice cubes, table salt, whole milk, double cream, pasta sugar, vanilla extract. 250 milliliters of milk, 250 milliliters of double cream, 1 tablespoon of pasta sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it all together. Set in the bag. Put the ice in the cooler and pour lots of salt on the ice. Put a Ziploc bag in the ice and stir for 10 minutes.
So what's actually happening here? Most people know that salt melts ice by dissolving in the water film and lowering the freezing point. This is what we call an endothermic reaction, meaning it takes energy to dissolve salt. You can demonstrate this by using ice water and a thermometer, which will settle to around 2 to 4 degrees. When you add salt to this, the temperature will soon start to drop. To really understand what's happening here, we need to look at water. We need to look really closely. If we look at a single water molecule, the oxygen atom in the middle has a slightly negative charge and the hydrogen atoms a slightly positive charge. Salt is a crystal made of positively charged sodium ions and negatively charged chlorine ions. Dissolving salt in water happens in 2 steps. Water molecules dislocate an ion, and then more water molecules are surrounded. This first step requires energy. This second step releases energy. Crucially, the first step takes more energy than the second gives. So the system as a whole requires energy input, which it gets in the form of heat from the surrounding environment. Take the bag up. Take the bag up by the Ziploc.
So you want to do your video?
Subscribe if you'd like to see more science.